RIA'S World of Ideas. Today's video, I want to share with you guys a Dollar Tree jewelry organizer that I created to keep all my jewelry organized while I travel this summer. A lot of us are going to be traveling this summer, so I definitely wanted to make videos for you guys to share with you guys some budget-friendly ways that you can organize all the things that you need while you're traveling. So in this video, I'm going to share with you guys how I created this little jewelry organizer that's perfect for traveling, that costs you less than $2 to create. To create this travel jewelry organizer, I'm going to be using the Jot brand organizer case. Now, Dollar Tree has a bunch of different types of organizational cases. They're little craft organizational cases, but I like using this one because this one is the biggest one I found at Dollar Tree, and it can hold a lot of jewelry. And you can actually leave this as is and organize your jewelry that way and not spend anything else on it. But I wanted to take it a little step further and use these hair rollers to be able to organize my rings and my studs a little bit better so they're not moving around in this organizational case. So these hair rollers, they come in different colors and different sizes. The one I'm showing you right now is a small size and a medium size, but they also have a larger size that I've used in another organizational project, another jewelry organizational project, where I made these cute little jewelry organizer drawers. And I'll put the link up above and a card down below so that you guys can watch that video. I love the way that came out, and that's how I organize my jewelry at home. But for this DIY, for this jewelry organizer, I'm going to be using the smaller skinny hair rollers of the three because I feel like they fit perfectly inside this case. Now, before I start cutting the hair rollers to the size that I need to remove the metal rod that's within these hair rollers, because then I won't be able to cut these hair rollers the size that I need. I do keep these metal rods for future projects because they are perfect and they are durable, so you can use them for multiple projects later on in the future. So I just keep them in my little craft drawers for future projects. Once I removed the metal rod from the inside of the hair rollers, I then measured the hair rollers and cut them to the size that I needed for the slot that I would be using inside the organizational case. And I'm only going to fill 2 spots with these hair rollers because I don't have that many studs and rings that I want to take on this trip. So I need more spaces for more of my dangling earrings and my hoops. But basically you can fill the sizes to, you can basically make as many of these little hair roller slots that you want depending on what jewelry you're trying to travel with. Now, as you can see, as I'm putting them in the little slots, the little parts right there, I am just sliding the little hair rollers in. I'm not using any glue because these fit so snug. They fit four little pieces of hair rollers in each slot. They fit snugly in there. I don't have to use any glue. They actually stick together very tightly and do not move unless you remove them. So the fact that I'm not using glue, it does make this very versatile. So I'm able to create as many spaces that I need for the rings and for the studs, but then I'm able to remove them if I need more spaces for my bigger jewelry like hoops and dangling earrings. So this is how it looks when it's all done. And again, I just wanted to do 2 spaces because I just needed 2 spaces for the rings and the studs that I'm using for traveling this time. I may switch them up in other future travel plans. And then here I'm just sharing with you guys all the jewelry that I'm able to store in this jewelry organizer. This jewelry organizer fits so much jewelry. And as you can see, the rings are sliding in the slots perfectly and they're not moving around. Now, one thing I will say to you guys is that when you guys do, insert your studs into this little jewelry organizer, into the hair rollers, you are supposed to insert them in between each roller in those little slots. I've created this for my daughter before, and she actually used to poke holes in it because that's what she thought she had to do, and made a bunch of holes. But no, these things work best when you can slide them into the slots. So as you can see, my hoops that are really big fit right there in the front, and also there's a little indentation in that little front pocket as well where I could fit a bracelet in, and it was also perfect for watches as well. So like I said, this has so much space. Now for my long dangly necklaces, which I love to wear a lot, I'm going to share with you guys how I store them so they don't get tangled. All I do is I bend them in half and I take a twisty tie from a bread bag, or you could do, a twisty tie from the produce section, and I'll take two of the sides, well, the sides that I bend it at, and I will twisty tie it together to connect them together so that when I do place it in this jewelry organizer, it will not get all tangled up within each other once the jewelry organizer moves in my luggage. And as you can see right here, I'm just gonna lay it down. And because I put the twisty tie, I connected the twisty tie in the middle, it will prevent it from basically creating tangles within each other. And then I'm just going to share with you guys all the other stuff that I packed. And as you can see, I am packing so much jewelry in here, and I still have so much space left over to be able to add big earrings, dangling earrings, any type of jewelry that you have. You can actually fit another necklace in there if you would like. But I'm really into my dangling earrings right now. And like I said, again, you can add more of those hair rollers if you have more studs. On this trip, I plan to wear more dangling earrings than studs, so that's why I needed more free spaces for the dangling earrings. But again, you could add more or less, and you can switch it out because there is no glue. You could switch it out to how you want it with every trip. So that is how I organize my jewelry when I'm traveling, whether it's on a plane or in the car. This jewelry organizer is the perfect size for any type of luggage that you're using. We tend to try to use the small ones when we're traveling in the airplanes because we don't want to get charged. And even sometimes we use the small ones in the car, depending on how much room we have in the car. But this is the perfect size for whatever luggage you have. And even if you want to just put in your purse, this is the perfect size for your purse because we women, we tend to like carry big purses anyway. So this will be the perfect size for your purse, your gym bag, anything. I love this little jewelry organizer. I know it wasn't much of a DIY, but I wanted to share with you guys that you can add these little things in there to be able to organize your studs and your rings, and so they're not like moving around everywhere and getting tangled up with other things. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys found it helpful. Let me know in the comments down below your ideas on how you guys organize your jewelry on a budget whenever you're traveling. Let me know if you like this video. Give me a thumbs up because it really helps on my channel. And then I'm able to bring more videos for you guys to help you guys out. And also don't forget, if you're not a subscriber already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave this video so you can be part of my YouTube family and, you know, hit that notification bell so you're always notified, all that jazz, all that good stuff, so you can be notified on all the new videos that I put out. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out. And check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.